Look, our Rippy over to Farm Science Review, Wednesday the 20th of September. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. A lot of people are leaving. I think the show closes at 4. Back in the antique section, there was the Bobcat display and some very nice Massey's and Fords, the rental golf carts, and then over here is the red tractors. I did miss some of the international shows this summer. This truck looks to be like it's from out west, and my friend Eric's purchased it. It looks like, and has it on the road here. And then he set up over yonder. It looks like it's from the 50s. It's an international, and then he's got underneath restored, and then the cab's like original, and then it has a storybook here about it. A Western style. It's an international West Coast. I've seen him use that term before. I wonder how original the frame is to the truck, but Rocky Mountain truck, you could call it too. Beautiful little crawler here. And that's Eric's also, no? But he has something like that. Run down through here real quick. Up and over, and a miniature and a loader tractor. The tractors from the 30s. The 400. Oh, neat looking 560. Diesel, I'm pretty sure. Look how he grooved his tires. .504. Nice little haying tractor. They got them back to back, how they do. Quite a bit of activity over here at the merch tent. Showing what else International was into. So like Eric, he has his truck from the truck side of International, and then there was a farm implement side, and still is to this day. It's called Case though. The 300, the sickle bar. Some nice looking tractors over here. The famous 1066. You know, showroom condition. Best of everything. It's the nicest 1066 I've seen. A Magnum demo. So we kind of missed what their display was on their new stuff. And I wanted to see the new Steiger at the Quadtrac Plants building, but don't think it was here. TD7. So this is kind of a crop demonstration area over here. So the famous 2+2. You have to fight for one of them. Just gonna stand here on the end. So check this one out. Got some pretty beautiful internationals here. This tent here's full too. The green tractor's over here. An Oliver crawler tractor from 1960. So this looks like a government helicopter. So this one, what's that look like? A Huber or something? I don't know, I haven't been to an antique tractor show for a while, but it wasn't Oliver, but Oliver made one like that one with a cab. First one I've seen. They're popular with people. They look like cars. And it's some beautiful orange tractors. So it was like too many people were building tractors, and so now today your choices are limited. It looks like a 190 or something. Yeah, 190 it says up there in numbers. Yeah, we had the Massey dealers local and a lot of AC dealers. I don't remember having Oliver dealers. Pretty rare looking four-wheel drive one right here. Very foreign looking. Very ballsy looking tractor there, and three four-wheel drive ones. We'll look at some more. I'm impressed with the orange tractor display here. That's got to be rare. Yeah, our beans are drying up. It's dry here. See, the grass is all. And we're done for the year here, September the 20th. So International Outdoor Power Equipment. Gleaner celebrating what, 100 years, I think it was. So these ACs look like news. Maybe they're one of the last ones too. There's a very nice one here. I walked back here to see this one. It's even two different colors. Extremely beautiful show tractor. I don't think it's striped out yet, or do you think it is? I think it is. Special unit right there. Not sure what I'm looking at. Yep. Not sure what that is. Yeah, I guess we're looking at the end of it. And this D17 one back here is sitting way up in this, looking good. The D21. Huh. Yeah, it just keeps getting better. 1968 D17. Those are from the late 60s. So we're missing case so far. And probably a lot of makes. But yeah, a big turnout by the AC Club. It looks like AC changed up a more browner color to their signature orange. That's the famous one right there that they probably built their company on, that WD-45 kind of a thing. Had some good years. Built some nice tractors. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bogard Rippy over here. There's a GP back here, I call him. Little parade tractor. The 200 with a year-round cab. They call this a G from 1948. Rear engine. Quick overlook of the Fords and the Masseys over here by the Bobcats. It's a Farm Science Review, London, Ohio, September the 20th with Bogard Rippy. Thanks for watching.